How to use Robinhood for long-term investing. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Robinhood for a long-term investment. To use Robinhood for a long-term investment, you can set up recurring orders for stock, ETFs, or cryptos. So for that, you want to go to the investment page and open a detail page for the investment. And next thing you want to do is you just want to go ahead and select the asset that you want to go ahead and trade with. I'm going to go with the one that's right over here. Select buy or trade, then click the buy button. Now choose $1 a share for stock and ETFs or market buy for crypto. Now select recurring investment in order type, enter the start date, frequency, preferred payment method, and dollar amount. Likewise, Robinhood also offers a variety of assets to invest in, including US exchange listed stocks and ETFs, option contract for US exchange listed stocks and ETFs, and ADRs for over 519 globally listed companies. So this way you could go ahead and use Robinhood for a long-term investment. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.